Hello, my name is Joe Gibbons. I'm the AP Human Geography teacher here at Taylor High School. Let me take a few minutes of your time here to kind of walk you through the expectations for this course. First off, if you would like, you could follow me on Twitter at Joe M. Gibbons, and then you can see the hashtag here, THSAPHugMe. This is what we're using for a lot of our test reviews, questions they could post with that hashtag onto Twitter, and then we can go through and answer them on a Monday, Tuesday night when you have the test the next day and you're kind of scrambling around. It's not a bad little tool. You could also sign up. I would prefer, or I think it's easier for option B below, but you can sign up for the Remind text. This is something that we've utilized for a long time in athletics, and it's come to a lot of your classrooms in the last 3 or 4 years. But you can sign up there below with that message, and then I could send out a nice secure message saying, you don't forget to study for your test, and there's no exchange of numbers between students, teachers, all that kind of stuff. Here's my contact information. Up above, there's my email address. At the top, I have a third period conference, and then tutorials. I'm also the golf coach, so a lot of our after school tutorials will kind of have to be by appointment with all the number of practices. I can make it work if need be for certain instances, but definitely Monday and Wednesday before school, Fridays before school, all those days work pretty much any time. As far as our course materials are concerned, we're utilizing Canvas extensively. The online calendar, assignments, notes, all be posted there on the Canvas before tests and just as a kind of a class tool. We've had a few assignments already on Canvas that your kids have been responsible for. And then through the cloud, you could obviously get the MyKitty Cloud, the kids can get to Canvas. The new textbook is not linked through Canvas at this time, but we're working on that. But the website there, masteringgeography.com, all the kids have been into the lab. They are all signed up. There are a lot of good study tools through masteringgeography.com that are linked to the book. They can go on and take some quizzes. All those things are available to them on masteringgeography.com. I'll also have test reviews, and we may even have some tests / quizzes through the online textbook. This is a copy or a screenshot here of a study guide, the AP Human Geography. This is it's actually on the 3rd edition at this point. You could find it. It's like I think $14 on Amazon right now, but it would be a useful tool, and then or you can get any of the reviews that you can see there as well. But the AP Human Geography study guide that you'll see here by Ethel Wood. The author's name there is a little blurry, but it is Ethel Wood. So if you did an Amazon search for AP Human Geography Ethel Wood, you would come into this, and it would be a good study tool for your child. Kind of what we're looking at here through the our curriculum guide, if you will. We just went through thinking geographically, and we will be starting population. Actually, we started it today, and then going through kind of these categories of our curriculum, and then getting into the AP exam, which is in May, and that is a great opportunity there for your child to take care of the AP exam. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Our class expectations are pretty simple. We do have a number of things. I am asking them to participate in class discussions. We haven't had any problems with that at this point. And we have our grading procedures. Tests are 60% of their grade. So we need to make sure with the 2 or 3 grades we have of those per 6 weeks that we are prepared for those. And I just want to kind of highlight the idea of this, what you see on your screen here, this free A-Day. Essentially, it is a discussion-based class. As we try to make it as discussion-based as we can, at least. And one of the things that try to foster that discussion on free A-Days, if you speak 3 times, you get 100. It's a discussion. It is opinion-based, so it's not like you have to be correct, but you're just trying to provide ideas and your thoughts to the class. You speak 3 times, you get 100. You speak twice, you get an 85. You speak once, you get a 70. If you don't speak, you get a 0. And this is a free aid day may actually be more than one day. It may not just be on Monday, but we may carry it over into Tuesday, or we may skip a day and then have it on Monday and Thursday, something like that, to try to give every child in class an opportunity to speak as much as they feel they can. Sometimes in the discussions, a couple kids might start to dominate the discussion, and all of a sudden the bell rings and you only get to speak once. So I try to spread this out over as many days as possible, or at least 2 or 3, to where every child will at least have a chance to speak and kind of improve their grade, if you will. That is all I have for you for our open house presentation. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.